Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to talk about constipation, which is one of the big health concern for many of us. So let's first understand what are the main causes of constipation, and then we will talk about how to get rid of constipation naturally. Constipation can be caused due to severe stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, lack of sleep, dehydration, and even due to change of environment and time zone due to traveling. So let's see what are the different ways how we can get rid of constipation naturally. So first is drinking warm water. Drinking enough water is extremely important to keep everything moving into your digestive tract. Just think of your colon. Imagine if you are eating all these food and they go into this, but there is not enough water to push food down. Hence everything will start to get blocked and eventually harden. So drinking warm water helps you to break down the food faster than drinking cold water, and helping you to go to the bathroom more easily and reduce constipation. Second is drink a cup of coffee, green tea or black tea. Drinking coffee, green tea or black tea speed up bowel movement and thus push a urge to go to the bathroom. Third is eat more fiber. Dietary fiber increase the weight and size of your stool and make it soften. A bulky stool is easier to pass and decreasing the chances of your constipation. There are lots of fiber which you can include in your diet, such as oats, cereals, wholemeal bread, prawns, fresh fruits and vegetables, beans, dry fruits. So these can be included easily in your diet. But just make sure you eat your fiber in moderation quantity. Eating too much of fiber is not good for your bowel movement. It can also lead to bloating, gas and constipation. Fourth is limit your high fat and low fiber food. For example, cheese and other dairy product, meat, processed food, foods like pizza and burgers, which are like fast foods. So make sure you limit these foods to avoid problem called constipation, because these foods makes your constipation worse. Fifth is exercise regularly. Include exercises such as brisk walking, skipping or jumping. Also you can do some yogas or asanas. Or you can do squats that will help you to reduce your constipation problem and helping you to go to the bathroom more easily and reduce constipation. Sixth is check for your medicines. Many of the prescribed drugs can also lead to constipation. So ask your doctor. That might be the reason of your constipation, or if there is any other alternative. Seventh is prebiotic and probiotic. You may have digestive issues because of imbalance in bacteria which lives naturally in your intestines. Supplements or foods containing prebiotics includes banana and oatmeal, and probiotic food includes yogurt and fermented foods. So these are the example of prebiotic and probiotic. If you would like to know more about prebiotics and probiotics, I would highly recommend you to refer the description box for my previous video, where I have explained what is prebiotic, what is probiotic, and I have also explained the difference between two and their importance. Untreated constipation can also lead to real problems such as hemorrhoids and tear in the skin around the anus, which makes you bleed. Call your doctor right away if you are facing constipation problems for a longer period and you are having symptoms such as inability to have a bowel movement, having blood in your stool, or if you are having unexplained weight loss. Because sometimes constipation can be because of some other reason which may not be a physical or psychological reason, and it can cause sometimes chronic constipation disease, which is chronic idiopathic constipation, and which may be due to some other reasons. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't go without like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more health tips, beauty tips, weight loss tips, and I will keep sharing my healthy, delicious, twisted recipe. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye.